Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome. Today I'll be installing this synthetic wig from Bobbi. So if you guys are interested, make sure you continue to watch. Alright, so this wig is a part of their HD Ultra Scrap Illusion series, and this was in Darcy, and I have it in M1B/TQ.BLU. Basically, it's like a 1B mix with a like midnight bluish color, to be short in description. So this unit has a free parting space. It also has the powder bleached effect inside of the cap. You have an extra wide double line hand tied lace space to work with. Today I'll be making my unit middle part, as you see on the model on the stock card. Also has baby hairs with it, but I'm not really going to use the baby hairs today. So let's go ahead and get this unit installed. I'm doing a pretty much simple process. Oh, and keep in mind, you guys, I know that everyone doesn't like colored hair, so this unit does come in like a natural black shade if that's something you're interested in, and then they also have other color options as well. So since this unit had that double lined effect with like the lace effect, I did not color or tint the lace. I am going to use a little bit of makeup once I get this lace cut off, but for the most part, like when I initially took it out of the packaging, no, I did not tint the lace like I usually do with most wigs. So just to start off with a little bit of details on how I felt about the unit, I felt like it was a pretty snug fit. I'm not necessarily sure if I would put this in the big head friendly range. I think my head is usually on the bigger side, so maybe this falls in like average sizing, but it was pretty snug with putting on the wig, and I didn't do anything to the adjustable straps that it has in the back. So I'm going to just cut the lace off. I'm not going to use a bunch of product to hold the wig in place because, like I said, since it was more of a snug fit, I didn't feel like glue was necessary with this wig. I feel like I could cut the lace off, add a little bit of makeup to any lace that might be peeking through, and then that would do the job. So once I get all of the lace cut off, I'm going to go ahead and part it down the middle. And as you can see the lace really well with this wig. So if you didn't want to add makeup, it's not really necessary because that parting space is extremely visible. I still am going to add some makeup to it just because I didn't want it to be as pale, so that's why I'm going to go in with some makeup on mine. But keep in mind, as you see, this is like fresh lace that has no makeup on it. That's what the color looks like. So when I'm getting ready to style it, it is a little bit high in the root area, so I am going to flatten out those roots with my hot comb. So yes, it is heat safe. You can use heat on it. I do recommend just starting off with a low heat, especially since it's a synthetic wig. You just want to make sure that you don't like crisp up the hair or mess up the hair. One thing I'll say I really did like about the wig was the color as well as the layers that this unit has. The density is pretty nice as well. It's not super duper thick considering that it's a straight wig, but I do like the density of it. I also like the length of it. I would say it's probably about 20 inches on me, maybe 20, 22. I'd probably stick with about 20 at the most though. So it is long category, but it's not super long. It's more like an average length. Just to make the hairline look a little bit more realistic, I'm just adding some makeup in between, like a little bit of the hair in front so it doesn't look like it's just like a perfect hairline, you know, like it looks just cut straight across. We want it to look realistic, so that was my way. I just added a little bit of makeup, but keep in mind, you guys, if you don't like how I styled it, you're more than welcome to add the baby hairs that comes with it. On this day with installing this wig, I really just wasn't feeling adding any baby hairs, and I still like how it came out. I think I would wear it either way, without or with. So do keep in mind, you guys, if you don't want to wear a middle part with this unit, you know, style it up how you want. I'd be happy to see if like someone maybe pulled off like a side part, or possibly like a half up, half down do. Those are usually like some of my go-tos as well if I don't feel like making or rocking a middle part. But for the most part, your girl is always going to go for that middle part, you know what I'm saying? So overall, what do I rate this wig? Probably about like an 8 out of 10. It's a very nice wig. I do wish like the hairline was plucked out a little bit more. Like I wish it looked a little less like perfect in the front. It didn't really give me like super plucked out or something. I don't know. You probably get what I'm saying. Also, even though I like the density, I would like to see it a little bit thicker as well. I'm just a person that really appreciates thick, straight hair. But overall, I feel like this is like the minimum that I would accept when it comes to having a straight wig. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have the direct link in my bio below so you can purchase you one as well. Let me know what you guys think about it in my comment section below. And I want to say thank you again to Bobbi Boss for sending over today's wig. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.